Hello again everybody, welcome back. So today we have a Schlage round-bodied padlock. Quite a nice solid lump, very similar in size, dimensions and everything to the American 700. But this was sent to me by the lock picking lawyer, so thanks for that. Very nice lock. If anything, I would say the finish is actually slightly better than the American. So very nice lock. We've got 6 pins. See if we can get that to focus. See the bitting, which is quite good. There we go. And I think this is meant to have lots of security pins in it and possibly some counter milling. So let's see if we can get into it and get it opened up and have a look. So I haven't tried this one out yet, so let's see how we get on. Get that to focus. There we go. So hopefully these will work. Got the right end there, yeah. That's the 1.2mm Mad Bobs, and then 18 thousandths Peterson. Yep, that slips in there quite nicely. So let's start at the front and work our way back. So nothing on 1, 2, starting with very light tension. Right, tiny little click on 4, tiny click on 5, and a small click on 6, and we've got a bit of movement on the core. So nothing on 1, counter rotation on 2, and we kept the full set. So where are we? 1, 2, 3, we've got counter rotation and open. That was a bit of a surprise. I was expecting a bit more of a fight from it than that. So let's get the pinning tray in. Move the camera, let's see what it has actually got inside it. So, I've got a screw in there. I'm presuming this is going to be very similar to everything else. So, yeah. And there's the core. 6-pin core. And clip on the back. There's my clip remover there. And come on. This one doesn't want to come off. It's just spinning. Let's try and get that in there. There we go. We're off. And follower. Pins to the top. Bit of music from the computer just for Pickbeard. And there we go. So, well, we have drill protection in the front. It looks like a steel pin in slot number 1. So let's tip these out. A steel serrated pin. Serrated. serrated, another steel serrated, and another serrated. And let's have a look. I can't see anything in the core there. Oh no, there is. Let's see if we can get this to focus. Can we see that? There we go. And you see just that very slight counter milling in there. So, see what we've got in here. Right, we've got a standard anti-drill pin in one. A spool in 2 and a spool in 3. Let's get these ones from the back. Spool in 6, spool in 5, and a spool in 4. So, let's lift this up, give you a look. Spin those around the right way. So, there we go. So nice pins, nice lock. I can't believe it didn't give me more of a fight. I think I just got lucky on that one. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.